South Annapolis Yacht Centre set out to create an environment that is healthy, thriving, safe, and enjoyable. When two adjacent marinas were acquired in 2014, the team focused on three key areas of environmental impact: reducing harmful inputs, implementing holistic stormwater management, and restoring urban habitat through conservation planting. Contaminated waste and toxic chemicals were remediated, more than 20,000 square feet of dilapidated overhangs were removed, and diseased and decaying vegetation was cleared. In their place, Campion Hruby introduced conservation plantings that transformed the site into a vibrant urban ecosystem, absorbing runoff and helping to prevent pollution from entering Spa Creek. Today, the plantings at South Annapolis Yacht Centre include over 120 trees, hundreds of native shrubs, and more than 10,000 grasses and perennials. Green infrastructure, including rain gardens, green roofs, pervious paving, and microbiome-retention facilities, removes over 65% of pollutants from stormwater. What was once two neglected and polluted marinas is now a revitalized 6-acre waterfront community. The site now features single-family homes, a multi-family residence, an office building, and ample decking that welcomes owners, slipholders, and guests alike. The transformation of South Annapolis Yacht Centre stands as a shining example of sustainable redevelopment and one of Annapolis's crown jewels. Congratulations to Campion Hruby Landscape Architects